binomial theorem. The chapter belongs to Mathematics 2A, part 49. Last part completed different model of sum of the infinite series model problem. That problem coming to the IP examination 7 marks problem, section C. Today discuss different model, once again different method, different model of the sum of the infinite series model problem. In the sum of the infinite series model, all problems in the form of 1 plus x whole power p by q, or 1 minus x whole power p by q, or 1 plus x whole power minus p by q, or 1 minus x whole power minus p by q form is there. Mostly problems in the form of 1 minus x whole power minus p by q form, that is very important formula. See students, today discuss problem is example problem. What is the problem? If x is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 5 into 10 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus on so on infinity. This value is already given. The sum of the series value is already given x. Then find 3x square plus 6x is equal to how much? 3x square plus 6x is equal to how much? Already given. What is the given? X is given. Solution: x is equal to, given that x is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 5 into 10 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 5 into 10 into 15 plus on so on infinity. In this problem, you can expansion formula model. This can be written as x is equal to 1 by 1 into 1 by 5. Correct or not students? 1 by 1 value how much? 1 by 5. 1 into 1 by 5 nothing but 1 by 5. 1 into 3 by 1 into 2. You can write 5 into 10 by 1 into 2. How much? 2 ones are 2 5s are 5 5s are 25. Remaining what here? 1 by 25 is there. Plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3. You can write 5 into 10 into 15. 1 into 2 into 3. 3 ones are 3 5s are. Here 5 into 5 into 5. Nothing but how much? 125. 125. Plus on so on infinity. After that, x is equal to 1 by 1 nothing but 1 factorial into 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 1 into 2 nothing but 2 factorial, 2 factorial nothing but 1 into 2, 3 factorial nothing but 1 into 2 into 3, n factorial nothing but 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into on so on n. This is a sequence of the factorial expansion. After that 1 by 25 nothing but 5 square. Correct or not students? 5 into 5 how much? 25 plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 1 into 2 into 3 nothing but 3 factorial into 1 by 5 cube plus on so on infinity. Here 5 into 5 25, 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. That is the value of 125. After that, x is equal to 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 2 factorial into 1 by 5 whole square. 1 by 5 square nothing but 1 square by 5 square, nothing but 1 by 5 whole square. 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 factorial into 1 by 5 whole cube plus on so on infinity. Plus on so on infinity. In this expansion, suppose we have to take this one is 1, this expansion is 1. In equation 1, comparing with 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus on so on infinity. In equation 1 comparing with which x function? 1 plus p by 1 factorial into x by q plus p into p plus q by 2 factorial into x by q whole square plus on so on infinity. This is a very important formula, very important expansion. By using this expansion, we can solve easily in sum of the infinite series model problems. Is equal to how much? 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. In this expansion, LHS part comparing with RHS part of equation 1. What happened? Here, what is the first term? 1. Here, first term 1 is not there. Second term p by 1 factorial. Here, 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 5 is there. Here, in this equation 1, first term is not there. First term is not there. You can add both sides first term. What is the first term here? First term is 1. Adding on both sides. Adding on both sides just 1 adding on both sides, you get what? 1 implies 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1 factorial into 1 by 5 plus 1 into 3 by 2 factorial into 1 by 5 whole square plus 1 into 3 into 5 by 3 factorial into 1 by 5 whole cube plus on so on infinity. In this expansion, you can write adding both side 1. LHS part is 1 plus x. RHS part you can write same expansion, just we can write 1 added before term. After that, this expansion comparing with equation 1 LHS part, RHS part. Equation 1, this is equation 1. RHS part comparing with LHS part of the formula. This one is comparing the LHS part. You get what? What is the value of p? P value is 1. P plus q value is 3. X by q value is 1 by 5. P value is 1. P plus q value is 3. X by q value is 1 by 5. After that, q is equal to 3 minus p. Q is equal to 3 minus, here you get a 3 plus p goes to right side minus p. 3 minus p value is 1. Q value is 3 minus 1 value is 2. This one is the p value 1 and q value is 2. After that, x by q value is 2, you get 1 by 5. X is equal to 2 by 5. X value is what here? X value is 2 by 5. Here, this expansion 1 plus x is equal to 1 plus x is equal to, here this is 1 plus x. This total expansion in the form of formula LHS part. Correct or not, students? In this LHS part is equal to what? RHS part. That's why you can write in place of this total expansion RHS part. That is what? 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. 1 minus x whole power minus p by q. In this expansion, you can write p value is 1, q value is 2, x value is 2 by 5. Substituted p value is 1, q value is 2, x value is 2 by 5 in this expansion. 1 plus x is equal to 1 minus x value is what here? 2 by 5 minus p value is what here? P value is 1 by q value is 2. After that, 1 plus x is equal to, we have to take LCM. LCM is 5. 5 minus 2 whole power minus 1 by 2. After that, 1 plus x is equal to 5 minus 2 how much? 5 minus 2 nothing but 3 by 5 whole power minus 1 by 2. 5 minus 2 value 3 by 5 whole power minus 1 by 2. Here already explained the students previous problem. Interchange numerator and denominator. 1 plus x is equal to, interchange numerator and denominator, you get what? 5 by 3 all power 1 by 2. Correct or not? Here minus 1 by 2 is there. Here interchange numerator and denominator. Power sign is changed. Power sign is plus 1 by 2. After that 1 plus x is equal to 5 power 1 by 2 by 3 power 1 by 2. You can write separated power. 1 plus x is equal to 5 power 1 by 2 nothing but a square root of 5 by this can written as square root of 5, this can written as square root of 3. Once I can explain students, here numerator and denominator changed, the power is changed, power minus is there, here power is changed, plus 5 by 3 all power 1 by 2, this 5 by 3. This 5 by 3, we can write separate power. 5 power 1 by 2 nothing but square root of 5, 3 power 1 by 2 nothing but square root of 3. You can write total 1 square root, that is square root of 5 by 3. Next, squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides. You get what? 1 plus x whole square is equal to square root of 5 by 3 whole square. Square root both are cancelled. You get what? 1 plus x whole square nothing but a plus b whole square. A square nothing but 1 square. B square nothing but x square. 2ab, 2 into 1 into x. 2 into 1 into x nothing but 2x is equal to 5 by 3. Here square root both are cancelled. After that cross multiplied here 3. 3 into 1 plus x square plus 2x is equal to 5. 3 into 1 plus x square plus 2x is equal to 5. You can multiply all values. 3 into 1, 3 plus 3 into x square, 3x square plus 3 into 2x, 3 2 ja 6x is equal to 5. You get 3x square plus 6x is equal to 5 minus 3. 3x square plus 6x is equal to 2. 5 minus 3 value how much? 2. Now what is the value of 3x square plus 6x? 3x square plus 6x value is equal to 2. This is very repeated problem in IP examination students. That's why you can this problem already explained previous problem model. That's why you can do that the problem